Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Gotta shine down. Outstanding, so I stand out. Stay up.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Doxy Takeover. It is your girl Doxy here, and I am about to head out on a solo date. You feel me? I'm going to the movies. First of all, I'm going to go pick up my wings and my sweet potato fries and some fried mushrooms. And then your girl is going to the movies by herself. My husband, he's tired. He had to lay it down. So, which was cool, honey, because I don't need the interruptions in the movie theater anyway, because he is that one. I predict this and I do this and da-da-da-da. And I'm like, shut up! So, the movie on the agenda today is The Amateur. I definitely want to see The Amateur. I think it's going to be a good movie. It's a good action movie, I've heard. So, your girl is going to check that out. And I'm going to get my wings and I'm going to sit back and chillax and enjoy the show by myself. Honey, by myself. It's nothing wrong with getting a break to yourself. I have my fleece just in case if it's cold. And I also have my my little movie bag. Let me show y'all my little movie bag. My movie bag got my not the Ziploc. It got my little container in here. I got my empty little bottle because I'm gonna put my drink in that. So all I have to do is pay my $5 because it is $5 Tuesday, honey. Pay my $5 and go in this movie, sit down and chill. So excited about that. Today is Tuesday. It is April 15th. April 15th. It is the actual day of the twins' birthday. Y'all, they had a blast yesterday. I definitely had a blast with them as well. Just gorgeous girls. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls. All of them just cute. What else was I about to inform? So I really haven't been vlogging. Y'all forgive me, but I haven't been vlogging. And reason being is because, yeah, I just haven't really had time. Just being honest with y'all. I just feel like I haven't had time to do much at all. So like I've been working out, I've been meal prepping, I've been doing my portion controls and things. Oh, y'all, guess what? Your girl has lost 6 pounds. So I'm no longer at 230 pounds. I am at 224 pounds and still losing. What? Super excited about that. Sir, why you want to get over here now that I get over here? Like, your ass wasn't even worried about getting over here in this lane. Ugly self. Ugly self. But yes, your girl is excited. I jumped on the scale and was like, what? I done lost 6 pounds in 3 weeks? Won't you do it? God is good. God is good because he gave me the strength and the ability to see through, to see my plans through, and to you know, to be disciplined, because it's a challenge. By not like, it's definitely a challenge. Like, for me, it's a challenge, honey. Everything's a challenge. I'm just like, rah. So I just thought I'd share that with y'all. But I'm super excited to lose even more weight. I'm trying my best to get up under 200 pounds, which I will do. I will be under 200 pounds. The Lord bless by the summertime. I would definitely love to be under 200 pounds. So I don't know. We're going to figure it out. We're going to continue to do what we're doing. I haven't been really lifting like major weights like that, y'all, but I have started my leg days, my chest, my glutes and quads days, my tricep and bicep days. Like, yes, your girl has been working on those things. Ooh, child. All I'm trying to do is make sure that my what do you call it? The cellulite. I'm trying to get the cellulite under control, but I know the more that I work on my legs and my quads, yeah, I know the more I work on it, the more that, you know, we'll work those things out. So, sir, what are you doing? So we'll work those things out, y'all, but I'm super excited about it. Your girl is just ecstatic. Hopefully my wings are still fresh and hot. So, but yeah, I thought I'd give y'all the update with the weight. I haven't been eating out. I did eat out for my husband's birthday, but I have not been eating out after that. My niece had a birthday party and I did eat some pizza. I felt so bad after eating that pizza, y'all, because your girl, if I do a pizza, it has to be thin crust. But I was so hungry, I hadn't ate nothing all day. So just eating that pizza, I had 3 slices of pizza and some lemonade. Yeah. So, but yeah, so that's what I've been doing. I've been meal prepping so that I don't eat out, and that's really been working. I've been intaking more protein, less snacking. Yeah, grapefruits, your girl is your girl best friend right now at the moment. Grapefruits do me justice, like seriously, they do me justice. Up, y'all, so your girl just left out of the movie theater. I seen The Amateur. I think it was okay. Yeah, it was okay. It was good, but at the end it was like unrealistic, like for real. Like you did all of that, and that was the outcome. Like, okay, whatever. It was just a little crazy to me, this all, y'all. I just was just like, really? So anyways, that was just $5. That was, you know what I'm saying? But let's get out of here and head on to the house. What is up, you guys? Happy Wednesday. Your girl's up here at the park about to walk around. About to get my steps in with my friend. I'm just waiting on her to pull up, so, and then we're gonna get our steps in. I just got off of work. So yeah, just got off of work. I just seen something that was just like questionable. Y'all, I'm drinking my little sugar-free grapefruit and blossom drink. It's pretty good. It's not bad at all. I'm not gonna drink the whole thing, just a little bit. And then, did y'all hear about this TikToker? I was just on TikTok. They said a 28-year-old, she used to drink like 3 to 4, take caffeine. It's like she was addicted to caffeine. She was looking for the caffeine high or something. I just, poor baby, she died so young. Boycott energy drinks. A child is a mess. I was just like, what? That is crazy. So, yeah, we just basically, so I'm just sitting here waiting. But yeah, that was just so sad that she lost her life at such a young age. You know? It's just really sad. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to let y'all go. I may chat with y'all a little later. I don't know what I'm going to eat for dinner because I meal prep just a tad bit. Maybe I'll just eat my little taco bowl for dinner and just call it. I don't even need to overthink this thing. And I need to edit. Excuse me. I was supposed to edit last night, but I was talking to my mom on the phone all night. Not all night, but majority of the night. Talking to her crazy self. And yeah, I ain't even gonna get into nothing else, but chat. Anyways, I'll chat with y'all. Y'all, this is my little dinner. It's a piece of salmon. Ooh, that looks better. It's a piece of salmon and penne protein pasta with spinach, mushrooms, and chicken. I'm not gonna eat this whole thing. I probably will eat half of it, not the whole thing, y'all. Look at these. You guys, so my husband and I were thinking about starting a garden.
So we went to Home Depot just to kind of take a look at like what they have available. Of course, we know that it's good to like, you know, do the seating. Like, I don't know. First of all, I don't know nothing about gardening. This will be my first time. But we are just planning for next year to kind of get an understanding of, well, this year we're just getting an understanding of gardening. He said he used to garden, like with his mom that raised him. She taught him everything. He knew how to plant strawberries, plant tomatoes, plant everything, he said. So I will be learning. But I just thought it was so amazing that all of these items were here. And I just want to start off with planting what I like to eat. And that's red bell pepper, onion, red potatoes. Like there's a slew of other things that I want to eat, but yeah, just thinking about
I love the color.
starting it. So we just kind of went and took a look. We just needed some plants to keep these mosquitoes out of our backyard and out of our garage, honey, because these things are gruesome. Lord. But yeah, so we're still learning. Well, I am definitely going to be learning because he even talked about soil. He was coming for us, y'all. He was like, Texas don't have like real dirt. So it's just a mess, but hopefully you guys enjoy the beautiful flowers, enjoy all of the plants and things of that sort that I'm showcasing. So yeah.
But I wish the roots was black, like, you know, my old one. It's the same color as that one, but the roots not black. I put the little makeup on there. It'll fade eventually. So I ain't really tripping on it, but yeah. Y'all like my wig? Cute. What is up, you guys? Happy Easter, happy Sunday, happy Resurrection Day to those who celebrate it. Look, he is risen. Your girl is out and about on this beautiful Sunday. Oh my gosh, like it just seems like it's super sunny today. The weather is really nice, you guys, like really, really nice. And I am enjoying my day. I am about to go to the Trinitygroves. So you guys will see it here in a second. But yeah, we're just going there just to kind of chill a little bit, you know, just to get out the house for it in a nutshell. Can't see me. What is up, you guys? We made it down here to Trinitygroves. We're just walking on the bridge. It's really, really nice. Y'all can see. It's nice. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. James is hungry. He wants to get a bite to eat.
So you don't eat.
So yeah. Look, you guys. People are riding bikes. You guys, we had a fun-filled Sunday. It was a pretty chill Sunday. So this is gonna wrap up my Sunday today. I was trying to go see my twins, but one of them are in the hospital because they have she had shallow breathing and a cough. So her granny took her to the hospital. So hopefully my boo-boo is okay. A little cute butt. But yeah,
All right, so I'm
gonna
gonna
chat with y'all
grab
later.
some chicken for my family.
so that they can eat real quick. I'm gonna go to this place they got. I can get like 10 pieces of chicken for like 10 bucks. I'm gonna grab that. Maybe some rolls or something. Come on, Cletus. Thank you very much. Such a nice night out. My daughter's supposed to do my lashes, so I'm excited about that. So, but yeah, y'all. So I have been basically focused on getting my son prepared for his graduation. I really do need to, there are some videos that I do need to put out, but I have not edited. I didn't have the time to edit. I could probably do that tonight, but tonight I just really want to chill. Like, I really want to just chill and just kind of like kick back and relax, and that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna have chill with my husband. I could go over to my sister's or invite her over to see what if she wants to come over, but I know they're going to church tomorrow probably. Gotta get up, so I don't know. We'll figure it out, child. We will figure it out. Let me get over it. But it's such a nice night. Ooh, I don't want to get in that line, honey. But yeah, I'm so excited to celebrate my son's graduation. He deserves it. So I'm happy. I was even thinking about booking a boat ride for him. They have this boat ride in Louisville, and I think they have the black owned one is that Lake Ray Hubbard area? I don't know where it's located. I just know there's a black owned company that has boat reservations that take you out, you know, get your favorite what you call it, the favorite foods, the favorite music, all that, and let you catch sunset and just chill and vibe out. So I was thinking about doing that for my son, let him go with his friends, and you know, I drop them off and come back and pick them up or what have you. But yeah, I'm excited about all of that good stuff, y'all. All of that good stuff. So I don't know, we'll see though. But yeah, I feel like this wig is sliding back, y'all. I just brought this wig from Beauty Supply House, and I feel like it's just sliding back. I hate the wigs that have that little hump right there, y'all. Let me tell you, your girl hate it. Oh, so much. I hate it so much.